so happy it's Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. I'm so happy it's Tuesday. Turn, turn, turn around. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, today is Tuesday.
Hello class, welcome back to our distance learning with Teacher Jenny. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. Every Tuesday, we are going to study Treehouse 3. For this lesson, we are going to review Unit 9, The Candy Factory, with the vocabulary words. So for this lesson, everyone, teacher combined one video for the first and second session. You heard me right. This video is combined to the first and second session. So watch this whole video, everyone. So do you still remember this unit, everyone? Great. How about the characters? Let's recall the characters one more time. So here's our characters. Number 1 is Monty. Number 2, the kangaroos. Number 3, the Candy King. So where's Monty, everyone? Here's Monty. Great job! How about the kangaroos? Oh, these are the kangaroos. How about the Candy King? Great job! So this is the Candy King. First, we need to talk about the story box. Number 1, get the candy clothes. Number 2, make the candy. And number 3, meet the Candy King. So this story box is the stepping on how we can make and meet the candy. Are you ready, everyone? Great, let's start. So here's our story words. Number 1 is factory. Number 2 is kangaroo. And number 3 is the Candy King. This is a factory where you can make a lot of things like candy. This one is the kangaroo. Kangaroo lives in where, everyone? What country? Australia. Very good. How about the Candy King? Great job, everyone. Now, let's move on to our Sing with Anna and Louie. Before that, let's talk about the clothes vocabulary. We have coat, boots, jeans, watch, scarf, and glasses. Are you ready to sing one more time, everyone? Great. Let's start.
Let's sing. Old clothes. Is this a scarf? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a scarf. Scarf. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a watch? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, this is a watch. Watch. Into the candy machine it goes.
Is this a shirt? Who knows? Who knows?
No, this is a coat. Coat. Into the candy machine it goes.
Are these boots? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are boots. Boots. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these glasses? Who knows? Who knows?
Yes, these are glasses. Glasses. Into the candy machine they go.
Are these shorts? Who knows? Who knows?
No, these are jeans. Jeans. Into the candy machine they go.
Alright everyone, so that is our sing-along with Anna and Louie, and we talk about clothes vocabulary. What are those again everyone? Coat, boots, jeans, watch, scarf, and glasses. Now, get the clothes. We need to put the stickers into the machine. First, we need to put the watch. Repeat after teacher. Say watch. Great job, everyone. Next, we need to put the boots. Say the word boots. Very good. Next is scarf. Say the word scarf. Great job. Next we have jeans. Say the word jeans. Excellent. Now, here's another clothes. Glasses. Say the word glasses. Well done, everyone. And for our last clothes is coat. Say the word coat. Well done, everyone. Now here's another sing-along with Anna and Louie. We are going to talk about action vocabulary. Turn on, push, turn, pull, and turn off. Are you ready, everyone? Let's start.
Let's chant. Use the machine. We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Push the button. Push the button. Push the button.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Pull the lever.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn the handle. Turn the handle. Turn the handle.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine.
Alright everyone, so that is our chant along with Anna and Louie. We talk about action vocabulary. What are those again, everyone? Turn on, push, turn, pull, and turn off. Now let's make the candy. Listen and draw the line. Are you ready, everyone? Great!
Listen, trace, and say. Oh, hey! It's me, Monty. Look at the machine. We need to make the candy. Can you help me? Okay, great! Okay, first, turn on the machine. Draw the line. Good. Next, let's push the button. Draw the line. Great! Now, pull the lever. Draw the line. Excellent! Next, turn the handle. Draw the line. Amazing! Last, turn off the machine. Draw the line. Good! Now we can get the candy. Let's go!
Alright everyone, so that is how to make the candy. Now, let's meet the Candy King. Listen and add the stickers. Let's start.
Listen and add the stickers. Hi everyone. Let's go with the kangaroo to the Candy King. Oh, look over there. I can see the big letter K near the king. Do you see the big letter K? Yeah, that's it. Say the letter. Big K.
Big K.
Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K.
K.
Now say the word K, king.
King.
Okay. Now look at the small letter K. Do you see it? Say the letter. Small K.
Small K.
Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K.
K.
Now say the word K, kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Good. You did it. Great. Let's go meet the Candy King.
Alright everyone, Now that we already met the Candy King, great job! We did it, everyone! Thank you! So that's the end of our lesson for today. Don't forget our vocabulary words for Unit 9. See you again next time, everyone! Goodbye!